Hey guys, it's your girl Reese coming to you today. I'm in the kitchen and I'm getting ready to do my version of a seafood rice. Okay, so I'm trying to measure out everything that I need, and during this process of me getting ready to start, I am going to fast forward so y'all won't hear me talking. But what I'm going to tell you that I'm using is this. Okay, I need 5 cups of parboiled rice. And you know, for rice, it's always 2 cups to every cup. 2 cups of water to every cup of rice. Okay, so for every cup of rice, there's 2 cups of water. Okay, so that's going to give me 10 cups of liquid. So what I'm going to do is, I have 4 cups of chicken broth, and the rest will be water. Okay, I have some complete seasoning. I have some onion powder, garlic powder. I have some fresh garlic. I have some butter that's soft. I have some Old Bay seasoning, and instead of the original Old Bay, I'm going to use the Old Bay garlic and herb seasoning. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this or not, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what that looks like. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, and so for this, I used a half a teaspoon of this Old Bay. I also have some Cajun seasoning, which is going to be the one that I'm using is the Louisiana Cajun seasoning. Okay, there's my garlic, and this is what I purchased last night from Walmart. It's called Twisted EQ Crazy Chick Lemon Garlic Seasoning. There's roasted garlic, oregano, basil, thyme, and lemon in here. Okay, so I used a teaspoon of this. And I have some smoked paprika, which I used a half a teaspoon of that. And I have all of my seasonings right here. The onion powder is 2 tablespoons. As far as my garlic is concerned, I took about maybe 8 cloves of whole garlic, and I put them in a blender with 1.5 pieces of onion. 1 medium size and 1 small onion. Okay, and so I had it in that blender, which that's what I have right here. And I'm not going to put all of this in here, but I like to make it that way when I'm cooking. I'll have some. It'll only keep for a couple of days. Now I have some crab meat, excuse me, which if y'all are going to see my haul. But this is just white crab meat in the jar, like tuna. Okay, in the can. And this is 6 ounces. Okay, I had 4 of these, and once I drain the liquid off, this is how much I got. Okay, so I knew that wasn't going to be enough for what I was doing, so I went to the store and I got some imitation crab meat. So I'm going to cut some of this up and put it in there as well, and I'm going to use this entire bag of shrimp. Okay, and it gives you 60 to 80 shrimp per pound, and this is 12 ounces in here. Okay, now I'm also going to do some fried shrimp, and so I have some shrimp here that have been seasoned with not seasoned salt, just salt and cayenne pepper. Okay, my onions, bell peppers, garlic, celery, and I sauteed that in some vegetable oil, olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm not going to cook my shrimp all the way through because I don't want them to be tough, but just enough for them to be heated through, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my rice cooker with the rice and all of the other seasonings. Okay. So I will add my crab meat and all of that in the rice cooker, and I will come back and show y'all what that looks like. to add my seasonings. And I have not added any salt to that. Okay, that's my seasonings. Now I'm going to add my shrimp and all the juice. Chicken broth, 4 cups. Okay. 4 cups of chicken broth. And I'm going to add the rest water. Because I have 5 cups of rice, remember? Okay. Get this all stirred together. I'm going to add a few green onions. Okay. And I'm going to add some parsley. Okay, so we got all of that. Now I'm going to taste this juice to see if I need to add anything. So now, what I'm going to do is add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And I'm going to add, I think I need a little more seasoning. Lemon and garlic. I'm going to add about another half a teaspoon. Okay. And what else am I going to add? Some more to Louisiana. Okay. And the Old Bay. This is the garlic and herb. So let's get this stirred together. Now, this was my first spoon. I'm putting that in the sink. I'm going to give me another one out the drawer. Okay. Clean spoon. Much better. So I'm going to place this in my cooker. Okay guys, so everything is done. We got our shrimp done. We have our hush puppies. These are the hush puppies. Come in close, Jay. Shrimp, hush puppies. And this is our seafood rice. Come on in. Come on in. That's our seafood rice. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop some of this out. Okay. That's our rice. We're gonna put a few of these shrimp on here. This, y'all know who plate this is. Put a couple of good old hush puppies on there. And that is my seafood dinner for tonight. We got our shrimp, hush puppies, and our seafood rice. Thank y'all for watching. Bye, sugar.